My name is Abhishek.
My name is Pratik.
I am from 9th standard.
I am from 10th standard.
We both are from DAV
Centenary
Centenary Public School, Samalkha. The theme of our model is STEM of Viksit and Atmanirbhar Bharat.
The sub-theme of the model is emerging technologies. How can technology make railway safer and accident-free and prevent suicide attempts in front of rail? Train moves forward normally. IR sensor continuously monitoring the track. If any obstacle is detected, relay cut power to the motor. Train stops automatically. When obstacle removed, train resume motion. We have developed a smart obstacle detector train mode that automatically stops when an obstacle is detected, ensuring safety and reduce accidents. Objectives are prevent accident in railways, create awareness about integrating technology into real railways. Component used IR sensors detects obstacle in front of the train. 5-volt relay module controls motor on and off. N20 gear motor provide movement. Batteries, power supply, switch plus circuit setup control system. Advantages are prevents accidents, save lives by stopping on time, low cost prototype, can be scaled for real railways metro system robotics. Conclusion: this smart train prototype demonstrates how obstacle detection technology can enhance railways and human safety with simple electronics. We can save lives and improve transport system.
This is the circuit diagram. Main components are IR sensor, 5-volt relay module, N20 gear motor, 3.7-volt battery charging module and on-off switch. The IR sensor is powered by lithium polymer battery. When the IR sensor detects an obstacle, it sends a signal to the relay module. The relay module is work as an electronic switch. It takes input from the IR sensor. When the IR sensor detects an object, the relay is triggered switch off. This disconnects the battery supply to the N20 gear motor. The N20 gear motor gets power when the relay switch is on. It runs only when the IR sensor detects an obstacle. In short, this circuit is for an automatic motor control system using an IR sensor and relay module powered with a lithium polymer battery with a charging module. The motor deactivates only when an obstacle in front of the train.